Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. Today, what we're going to work on is we're going to work on a strategy called making a table. Now, making a table is really important when we're problem solving because it helps us take a lot of numbers and put them in order and then figure out what the answers are based on that order. So let's go ahead and take a look about this roller coaster car. First off, I'll go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. Alright, so it says first off, it says each roller coaster car holds 18 people. This is where we're at right now. Every minute a new car is filled. You know that every minute a new car is filled. It tells us to make a table to find how many people can ride it in 60 minutes. So let's go ahead and look at the information. We know, let's just say here's our roller coaster car. Each roller coaster car, and I'll notice they say the word each right there, holds 18 people. So there's 18 people on one car. And then it says every minute a new car is filled. Okay, every minute a new car is filled. So we got to think to ourselves 60, and then every minute it's going to be filled. And then we have how many is it going to be in 60 minutes? So we're going to think to ourselves 18 times 60. That's going to be our question right there. Now what we can do though is we can make a table to make this a little bit easier on ourselves. So let's go ahead and look at number one. What facts do we know? We know that there are 18 people per car. What number do we need to find? The number of people who can ride in 60 minutes. I can make a table to find the number of people who can ride in 60 minutes. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to go ahead and take a look at solve. It says start by finding the product of 18 times 10. The reason we're doing that is we're going to go ahead and break it down. Instead of starting right with 60 minutes, we're going to go ahead and just simply start with 10 minutes. And we know that if we take that 18 people in a car, here's our 18 people in a car, and we multiply that times 10 because 10 minutes, we can fit 18 in it per minute. We know if we just simply add a 0 on the end of it, we get 180. Notice what we have here is we have a column or a row for our minutes and a row for our passengers. This is our table right here. It's really easy to make. It's just simply a rectangle with some labels in it and then our numbers. So here we have 10 minutes. Now 20 minutes, the same thing. You're just going to go ahead and take 180 times 20. Here we have 180 times 30. 180 times 40, 180 times 50, and finally 180 times 60. So I'm going to come on back and I'm going to go ahead and show you what those amounts are. Okay, and we're back. Now, if I would have multiplied my 18 times 20, I would have gotten 360. 18 times 30, 540. 18 times 40, 720. 18 times 50, 900. And finally 18 times 60, which is my answer, 1,080. So we know that 1,080 people can ride the roller coaster in 60 minutes. That's a lot of people. All right, thank you for checking in, ladies and gentlemen. I'll talk to you later.